Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is t plus root t equals 2. We are solving for the values of t that satisfies this equation. So we start by moving t over here. We have root t equals, this is 2 minus t. The square root here. I take the squares of both part of this equation. From here, this cancel this. I have t equals this is 2 minus t times 2 minus t. So from here, I have t equals 2 times 2. That is 4. 2 times minus t minus 2t minus t times 2 minus 2t minus t times minus t plus t squared. From here we have t equals 4 minus 4t plus t squared. Take this t over here. We have 0 equals 4 minus 4t plus t power 2 minus t. So from here, you have 0 equals 4 minus 5t plus t power 2. So you can rearrange this. You have t power 2 minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. So this is what we are going to solve. We can solve this using the formula method. You have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So you compare this equation to the general quadratic equation, which is a squared plus bx plus c, and this equals 0. So in this case, a equals the equation of t squared, which is 1. B equals the equation of t, which is negative 5. C equals this constant here, which is 4. So we insert it right into this particular equation. T equals negative b, that is negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 5 power 2, minus 4 times 1, times 4, that's 4ac, divided by 2 times 1. So from here, t equals, this is 5, plus or minus square root of this is 25, minus 16, divided by 2. So from here we have t equals, so we have 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16 will give us 9 divided by 2. From here we have t equals 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 divided by 2. We have t equals 2 values here. We have 5 plus 3 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals 5 plus 3, this is 8 divided by 2, or this is 2 divided by 2. So from here you have t equals 8 divided by 2 is 4, or 1. So you have two values for t, 4 or 1. Now we have solved that. The next thing we are going to do will be to check By inserting these values for t, we have checked, that means t equals 4. Or we are going to insert these values for t, and let's see if it's going to satisfy the equation. So we start with when t equals 4. So that is t plus ot equals 2. We insert 4 for t. We have 4 plus root 4. Is this 2? This is 4 plus square root of 4. This is 2. Is this 2? 4 plus 2, this is 6, and this is not 2. So it is obvious that when t is 4, we are not getting the solution. The both sides of the equation are not the same. So let's consider when t equals 1. When t equals 1, we have t plus root t equals 2. So we substitute 1 for t. We have t, this is 1 plus square root of 1 equals 2. 1 plus square root of 1 is 1, and this equals 2. We have 1 plus 1. This is 2, and this equals 2. The both sides are correct. So this, guys, so this is it. How to solve this radical problem. Now, the first step is just to move this single term here across here, and you are left with the square root of t. So you decide to take the squares. The square cancel the squares, then you expand this. You are going to form a quadratic equation at this point. And you take this t across here and have this. This is the quadratic equation that you are going to get. So we solve this using the formula method. 1 here, which is the coefficient of t squared, is our a, -5 is our b, 4 is the constant, which is c. We insert it into this formula. Then we just simplified this formula to have other values of t. We can also solve this quadratic equation using the factorization method because it is factorizable. So the factorization, you actually need two numbers. This is t squared minus 5t plus 4 equals 0. You need two numbers that when once you add, you are going to have -5, which is the coefficient of t. And once you multiply, you are going to have +4, which is the product of the coefficient of t squared here, which is 1, and the constant rate, which is 4. So, what are the two numbers that you add? You have -5. You multiply, you have 4. So the two values there are just -4 and -4. Because -1 times -4 will give you 4. -1 plus -4 will give you -5. If these are the factors, so for you to solve this, you simply have t squared. Instead of writing this, you have minus t, which is this one here, minus 4t, which is the combination will give you minus 5t, then plus 4 equals 0. So at this point here, you factor out t here. T squared divided t, you have t, minus t divided t, you have 4. You factor out 4 here, -4 here, -4t divided by 4, you have t. This will be minus because this is positive, so this will be -1 because -4 times -1 will give you +4. If it's plus, that means it's going to give you negative, which is wrong. So it needs to be minus. This bracket and this bracket are the same. You combine them. You just take one of it. T and -4, you have t minus 4 equals 0. So you have t minus 1 equals 0. T minus 4 equals 0. So from here, You solve for t, that means your t equals 1 and t equals 4. This is the method of factorization, which we have solved and gotten the same answer just like this. So guys, this is how you can solve this interesting equation. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.